Hello, here at Wessuc we deal with a lot of waste. We really know our stuff. So who are we? Wessuc was established in 2000 by Shane and Hank Van Veen. They started out with two bald guys, just one vac truck and a dream. Wow, if you look at Wessuc now, you can see how much we have grown. Wessuc employs 115 people in 8 divisions and 280 pieces of equipment. Shane and Hank still don't have any hair. Our work is our passion and second to none. Our work is built around 8 divisions. They are vac services, dewatering, infrastructure, which includes CCTV, flushing, spot repair, and more. We have a land application division, haulage, lagoon cleanouts, storage, and probably the most important division, health and safety. We want to make sure our whole team gets home safely to their families. Shane and Hank have built a culture over the last 20 years, which promotes positivity and productivity. These can be seen in our values: respect, balance, responsibility, and of course, joy. So why are we reaching out to you today? We want you to be a part of our Lunch and Learn. What does this entail? We will kick off the fun with a 30-minute presentation tailor-made for you. Followed by a 10-minute lunch break, the food will be delivered from a local restaurant. Did we mention the lunch was on us? After lunch, we will do a 20-minute Q&A session. You can ask us anything you want. We can promise you'll have some laughs. We want you to get to know the Wessuc team and find out what our goals are. Here at Wessuc, we want a cleaner, safer environment for all to live, work, and play. What are your next steps? Send Phil or Lindsay an email to book your spots today. We can promise 2 things: you'll be full of knowledge and lunch.